Really?
What the fuck?
Facebook is boop.
What? I can't hear you. I'm waiting for the part to come up.
What? She downloads music on her phone and doesn't know the beginnings to them.
Yeah.
What a bum. This stuff smells so good. Oops. Yeah. Fucking start. She's just like you.
I'm not like her.
Yeah, you are. You don't do shit.
No.
Yeah.
Just you. Oh, please.
Like we used to. I finished it for you.
You can hear it?
Yeah?
Talk with your mouth like this so I can read your lips.
No!
What?
Oh my fucking god. I would love for someone just to blast me right now.
Yo, I thought you were just playing the song for a second.
Oh, my pink bottle's more entertaining than you. I'm gonna record that instead of you.
Like hit and run and I still taste it on my
God, don't look at me. Okay. Ew, you sick fuck. Wasn't even in it.
Well, actually, I probably was on that.
It's beautiful.
I already found the card. Is he there with my earphones in?
Come on. Yeah, she's not a man to her word. Ah, man.
I used to be love struck, but now I'm hungover. Love me forever, forever is over. Used to kiss all the time.
Love isn't forever. It only lasts a couple of years, or a couple months, or a couple of weeks, or a few
Like
days.
a day.
And then that shit just...
Or a couple hours, or a couple seconds.
And then it goes...
Remember when CJ asked Melissa out and she dated for like 2 seconds?
Who?
CJ,
DJ who?
Crystal's brother.
Are you serious?
He was
Fuck
like,
out of here.
he's like, you want to go out with me? And then she was like, yeah. And then he was like, I'm just kidding.
Are you serious? Oh